Hello everyone, this is Randy Rodenhouse with Trade the Future. A little thunderstruck for you this morning. Alright, let's talk about some trades for today. The E-mini S&P is shown here. Yesterday we had a good move up. Here was yesterday's bar. It wasn't quite an outside day. This is a little bit higher, so the key resistance here is around 850. Key support here is kind of where we had the low of today, around 816. So, which way will it head? Up or down? Not sure. Today it looks pretty strong. It held overnight. Here's the overnight session here. It's held. Usually that means it's going to continue up in the upward direction. Probably get to 850 pretty easy. What it'll do at 850 is anybody's guess. I think it'll depend on some of the reports that come out at 8:30. So sit back tight before, and don't trade before 8:30. Kind of let the markets cool down for 5-10 minutes before you start trading them, or you get whipsawed out and in a lot. So I think if we break and hold above 850, it should continue up. However, my bias is to the downside. Overall trend is to the downward side. However, this market's going to go back and forth, like I said before. Right now we've been going up and down quite a bit. This type of movement. So who knows? We get a pop up and then slam down. Not sure. That's why it's called trading. So let's now look at the euro. The euro currency is in a big downward movement still, as we talk about continuously. If the S&P starts hauling up, I think we'll see a good change in this. This is yesterday's bar here. Let me span this out a little bit. Sorry about technical difficulties. Anyway, yesterday's bar here, and I think if we get a pop above here, it'll continue up to around here. Again, I expect it to be going up and down here. Don't get too excited about this right now. I need it to either form a base, or if it breaks these lows here, it should head down to the 24.30 area. That's 124. I think about 40 area. So that's quite a ways down. It's about 300 points. So again, not sure which way it's going to go, and just put stops in appropriate spots. Buy stop, sell stop. The big story is the yen. We got a great move there yesterday. I mentioned it yesterday that obviously you can't see anything right now, can you? Let's move this up so you can see it. Here's the yen. And what happened yesterday? Grab my pen here. Remember I told you to sell at this point here, which was 1,124. So you'd sell it around there, 2.4. It came down, it broke that point right there and slammed down. I mean, it went down to let me get this low here for you. The low in that yen was 108.40, 846, I believe. I basically got out around here, which was 109.74. Was hoping it would keep going down, but it came up pretty good yesterday afternoon, so lost some of the profits. But bottom line, we still made 150 pips, so or ticks, or whatever you want to call them. It doesn't really matter. It's money. Multiply this in the futures by $12.50, and that's how much money was made. So it's a good move, good day. These are the kind of moves you're looking for. You got to be patient though. As you can see here, you chopped around a lot, but there's a lot of opportunities. This is a great opportunity. I think this thing's going to head down. It's just really going to depend on what happens with the stock market. It could head up a little bit more and then continue down. It's still, let's take some of this pen off. It's still, going back and forth, meaning this is the range, and who knows what's going to happen. It could come up a little bit and then come down. Probably test these points here, and then we'll see. But basically, we day trade. We don't hold it, so we're looking for those big moves during the day. All right, this is Randy Rodenhouse signing off for Trade the Future.